the vendor to prepare his bid. And then when you receive the bidding, you need time to review and evaluate the bids. When you do the review and evaluation of the bidding, that is what we call technical evaluation. Because when you review the bidding, when you review the offer from the vendor, there might be some items that you need them to clarify. So after you review, you will have some items that you want the vendor to clarify. So you give that to the vendor, then the vendor will answer. It's good if the vendor answer and everything is clear. Sometimes after the vendor answer, there are some items not yet clear. So you have to ask again, answer again, ask again, answer again. So it takes time. You see? So all of this we have to incorporate in our procurement schedule. So you define the time, the limit to buy this item. Even if ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, you still monitor the time frame. As long as it is inside the time frame, it's okay. But if it is going to be outside the time frame, that means you have to make the decision whether you want to buy or not. You see? Because maybe you need to go to another vendor. You are spending so much time ding dong, not getting the answer. Okay? So that's why it's very important to develop the procurement schedule. And as I've said, once you develop the procurement schedule, the follow-up system is very important. Follow-up. Don't wait until the delivery date. Before the delivery date, we must contact the vendor, we must follow up and make sure the item is going to be delivered based on our requirement. Because if the delivery is delayed, it will delay everything. That's why we don't want, in order for us not to be delayed, we should have follow-up and follow-up and follow-up. And as I've said, if we are buying an item outside Vietnam, we must link to an international inspection that have an office near to the manufacturer location. And then they can send inspector to take a look at our item, and this inspector will give us the report so that we know the status of what we are buying. Okay? So it's like that. We do that cycle until the item is delivered.